Reviewing Douglas Dogs Part 3, Sasha Husky. I'm sorry I forgot for so long to make this. Head is turned slightly. I like heads going straight forward, personally. Poofy paws. Makes them look bigger. Also the texture on the bottom of the paw as soft. Audio glitched. So soft. Very cute, but fur on tail looks odd. This. Wispy tail, great tail wags. I love. Cute, but looks like it has no brain cells. Shorter for only on snout. Violence. Overall, I give this gremlin a 8.7/10. Very few things I dislike, only the paws and head. Otherwise, it would have been a 10/10.
Bonus clip in the car. Bye guys. Sorry for not posting as much. I've been tired and busy.